Hey guys, what's up? Can you guys hear me? Please put a hi in a chat if you can hear me. Uh, Very tired today, but as usual, we'll take up some queries. Happy to help. Uh, but yeah, no, MAN is not uh, necessary, bro. DSA is necessary. You can make projects in any of the language. That's fine. No language is necessary. Cool, Piyush. Uh, Resources to prepare DSA, bro. Everything is there in this link. College is forcing me to DSA, and you can just do DSA in that language, but anyway, college is not going to teach you the DSA that you need for placements. There is a huge difference between what you will be taught and what you need. So just be aware of that, guys. Learning DSA and then solving problems based on DSA, both are two different things. You will learn DSA in your first sem, but still you would have not solved coding problems using DSA. Make Divyansh Goswami make days, bro, like Tuesday as a 3 day, Wednesday as a priority U day, like that. Parab, Farida, bro, you know what you should do, right? You should do uh, lead code plus you should build some projects. That is what you should do. You are given two string S1 and S2 equal length of consisting letters X and Y at R equal to each other. You can swap any two directories that belong, which means Upskill, bro. Remark Navera. You don't have any choice. Upskill and then be better. Be better than today. That's it. Bro, I told you, Arabinda Parinda, that Parida, that you have to do both. You have to do DSA and then you have to do make projects also. Basic DSA is not gonna cut. Minimum number of steps. The thing is that either you can make the first character as X, the best strategy to make a swap. The DP that you swap any two characters in different strings. It consider a scenario where both are X and Y. Right? What I need to do is, so first of all, right, count of each character should be even, right? That is one thing. Now, once the count of each character is even, then it will always be a pair thing, is it? So you have XX and then you have YY. Will it always be a pair? So let's say you have X and Y, then you have again X and Y. How would you change both of these things? You have X and Y. If a character, then it is like X. Correct. And both have another. You have to take if it's Y, then you X, then you need one operation, right? Also, I'm of optimal solution, but the constraints are very less. Can ideally live course also. You need to bro, I'm not speaking. What do you want me to talk, bro? Yes, you can, Siddhartham. Yes, you can. You can start with video, or you can start with documentation, whichever you like, bro. Do with that. There is no right or wrong resource when you want to learn a language. So nowadays, if I don't want to waste more time, I just read documentation. Otherwise, I would watch a video. So one thing is sure, ideally I can just do brute force this one, right? The constraints are very less. Manas bro, I have heard this a lot, bro. So this probably, what is the invite? So bro, don't mention anything about the rejection email now. I just read it somewhere on the Reddit. So got selected after getting a rejection mail. I had read it on Reddit. Yeah, most probably because you have already given two rounds, so there is no other round after that. So it's always two rounds only, like for internship. That's what I have heard. And you already had a round with the hiring manager, so probably that would be like a HR round only. Just to tell you. So where was the hiring manager from? Like you were preparing for Cape Town, right? So they would have to process your visa and all for internship. Oh, nice. Then they would have to process your visa and all. Hey, Akhil. Hey, Nikhil, bro. I will take up. I have answered your question, bro. Like Nitin Dayal, there is no like one way to master anything, and I don't think so. You can master DSA in 4 months. But yeah, I can answer in detail at 11:30. Hi, Manoj. What's up? Yeah, so basically, this is only the so same can be ignored if there is a opposite pair will need two switch, and if the count is different, then you need one switch. So I can do something like that, right? X slash Y and Y slash X will need two, and X and Y and X and Y. These are going to need one, right? Now X and Y could be Y and X, Y and X also. Very annoying problem. This is like, damn bro, if the first problem is this annoying, then it makes no sense to solve the problem. X and Y is 0. No bro, this is the other X. This is not the same X bro. This is, you put it in the below part. Yeah, Manas, I have read it about I think I have read it about on Reddit, the exact same case. So if you got a call from HR, that means that you are like 95% selected. So 95%. or probably 98% I would say. Harshit Sethia, bro, I will answer your question. I will answer your question at 11:30, bro. Similarly, like y and and x and y should be one switch, two switch, sorry. If they are not same, either it be x and y or they could be y and x, right? So we can count both of these and then we can get rid of xy, number of xy. Okay, let me do it this way then. Both have same length, right? Yeah. So int x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0 or b plus plus. So you have if x is equal no, if s1 dot char at I equal to x. Why my laptop is slow? Char can just use if char at I is equal to y. So this is x and then this is y, right? Both are good. Now what else, right? So if any of the count is odd, right, then you can't really do anything. So if x modulo 2 is not equal to 0 or y modulo 2 is not equal to 0, return -1, right? Now either we could have xy or we could have yx, right? So xy, and I'm not sure if this is going to work, but yeah. If s1 dot caret I equal to s dot 2 caret j, you continue, right? S1 dot caret I equal to x and s2 dot caret I equal to y, then xy plus plus, otherwise yx plus plus. So just we saw that like xy and yx. So xy and xy, these can be solved in one, right? So if let's say I have 2xy in this case, so I can swap them in one iteration, right? I can just make one and then can basically reduce it. So if I have 2, then I can do that in one. But if I have 3, I can get rid of 2 and I'll be left with 1. If I have 5, I'll be left with the remaining xy. The same is for y. So if I have 6, so basically whatever is xy, in this case xy is 2, so I need one swap, right? Plus same is applicable for yx also. Xy, now if let's say I am left with yx and xy. Xy took 1 and yx and yx also took 1. But xy and yx are left with me, right? Those will take 2. So if I have this 1 and this 1 is basically, so if I have this 2, if I have 5xy, then 4 I can get rid of it, whatever is left. Yeah, so xy modulo 2 ex modulo 2, because even I will take it here, so odd I will be left with this and then I'll be left with this. Makes sense. Very annoying problem. Manas, yes, yes, you will definitely achieve that, bro. You will definitely achieve that. Don't worry about it. But I'm really good for you. I'm really happy for you, bro. I think if 98% chance you will get the job. But fingers crossed, right? And it is really good that you kind of went aside and applied in all the openings. So I'll tell you one scenario. I think on Reddit last year when I was applying, right, I read about a scenario where someone from, I think South Africa or Africa, he just applied to Meta for internship and Meta sponsored everything. So basically everything for internship and then he got a PPO. So like for next year. So basically he was sorted. So really good. Your goal is good, bro. Your goal is decent. And that somehow is what like makes a person stand out from someone else, right? That somehow is a huge importance. The somehow that you have put, like somehow you want to get into FAANG. So that's good. And Amazon hires a lot. So that is, I am audible, right? Hello, 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 hello. When I don't speak in the middle, that doubt is always there. Manas FAANG open most opportunity in India, US, Europe, other area, it is very less. Yeah. Yeah, so if you search on Reddit, right, you will find some of the good stories. Reddit has really good stories. So do they sponsor it? So I think for you also they will sponsor. Madhav Chaudhary, is it? S1 dot length is not equal to S2 dot length return minus 1. Oh, is that the answer? That's it. Bro, if that is the answer, then you can. No, their length is always equal, right? Which length is always equal, so you don't need the first check. Yeah, I have basically done the same way, I think. But really annoying problem, bro. I don't like math problems. This is again kind of a CP easy problem. You can say A problem of CP div 3 is like this. This is like div 3A problem. FAANG India currently working employees can move to FAANG UK internal transfer. Bro, you can move only if you have spent some time in your base location. You cannot just move uh, like after joining only. Either you get hired in that location. The length case is not required, bro. Madhav Chaudhary. See, the length is always equal. Manas, nice reply, bro. But just an FI, if you are applying to any company, including Amazon, you have to work at their base location for at least 2 years. Then only you can move to US. Anik, bro, all the episodes are random only, bro. It's like stream. It's not a episode. It's just like the stream number you can think of. Those streams are not what you say. There is no order of the things discussed in the stream. It's just a stream number, right? And now also from this you can judge. I've been coding. Mostly I've been talking to myself, and then in between I have been replying to people, right? Or discussing. I'm not even like as of now I haven't replied. I was just chatting with the everyday audience or the everyday friends. So Manas is one of that person. So I was just chatting. So uh, Pankaj, currently I am working on full stack .NET. Where do I search in the... No, no, bro. You can jump the tech stack, bro. See, today also I was having a top mid session. So one thing is like I just want you guys to be cautious that if you hear anything from me, just be cautious that I am talking about MNCs, right? I am not talking about, I mostly am talking about MNCs, some startups, right? Like good startups. Because all these companies, they hire language agnostic, right? So they don't care which language you are currently working in, right? Mostly your interviews will be DSA, LLD, HLD, right? Some of the openings would be, there would be exception in that, but mostly if you know DSA, you can learn anything. That is, so once you have trained your brain enough, you can pick up any language, right? So now based on that, I say things. So, but don't like misinterpret me basically. Like there might be companies who really want a Golang developer. So that happened with me also. Jungle Games, if you might have heard of. Jungle Games really wanted a Golang developer only. And I do code in Java. So I have my language which I can code without internet is Java. So I can write a whole LLD application in Java without using internet, but I can't do the same in Golang. So just be cautious of that, right? Whenever I say like you need to do DSA LLD, Akash Gurai, bro, I don't have SD1 experience of Uber. I only have SD2. SaaS startup. No, no, bro. I think there is journal hiring Ankit Pal. There is no preference. I would not say that. It's like journal. Ankit, bro, I have already replied to you, Ankit. So there is no pattern, bro. There is no pattern. It's just me coming in here, answering some question and then doing some stuff. There is no pattern at all. Okay, it's just a kind of to motivate people and then also to so as per daily you solve. Yes, my aim is to upsolve contest. Yes, that is true. I do that every day after 10:30, but I am not that good because I have not done DSA from last 3 months. So I'm trying to recover. Fast Guru, sure, bro. You can ping me on LinkedIn, bro. I'll do a resume review. No, bro, I don't think so. As long as you are good with your projects mentioned in your resume, that is fine. System design is for senior folks, guys. No, no, Tanikshutara, it is not. It doesn't follow any pattern, bro. It doesn't follow. It's just live DSA coding. It doesn't follow any pattern. Don't be misguided, okay? Man. Bro, you can apply Pankaj Rastapur. You can apply, Pankaj. You can apply. I pinged you. Manas, if someone has joined SD1 in a company, they can get that. Like in Amazon, I would say it is little bit hard. I got SD2 within 9 months so of joining a company, which is generally you take 2 years at least. Even with Cisco, it's not like you don't get those early promotion. You can even see the graph of people who have joined Cisco as a college grads. It depends on a lot of factors. It depends on what size the team you are joining in. If that team already has 30 to 40 members, then there is very less chances. But let's say the team that you joined has 4 to 5 members, right? And that all to college grads. So then you have good chances. But there are a lot of factors to be involved in this. I was just, I would say that I got hired in COVID time zone. So we used to do nothing but work, right? Even with internship. So, but then my team was also very small. So like we were like 4 to 5 members. So two out of those got promoted. But ideally range is 2 to 3. In Amazon, two. But yes. But to answer your question, Pankaj, you should apply. Pankaj, right? Yes, you should apply to SD2, bro. I am currently in starting of year. What starting of what year, bro? I am currently in starting of year. Starting of first year or what, bro? Starting of third year. Bro, do DSA and start applying today itself. Manas is also in third year. He is applying to internship. You also start applying. Do DSA for 2 to 3 months. Pick a sheet, learn DSA, and then start applying to internships. So my suggestion to you, Tanik, should be to get an internship by end of third year. And then if let's say you don't get that, then try for placement in fourth year. Hey Arush, what's up, bro? Given an array of integer nums and an integer k, I have done at very fast pace. Fast pace, what do you mean by fast pace coding? That is good only, right? Fast pace. Bro, I have no. Yeah, Mehdaj Chaudhary, good, bro, good. You're doing my work for you. Mm, yeah, bro. See, that is true, bro. He told yesterday. I was also saying, right? Someone asked chess game book my show is a very popular question for LLD. But Faizan, bro, for 10 LPA that should not come, bro. For 10 LPA, that's like a overkill, bro. But yeah, nowadays competition is harsh, bro. So yeah, 8 LPA. Hey, hi Rohit. We did not see you yesterday, day before yesterday. Can solve real life problem. Anik, can solve real life problem. So what do you mean by real life problem? Design a database for me. That is a real life problem. How would you design a database, Anik day? Harshal Aaron. Harshal Aaron, what did bro if in an interview if asked me to reverse a link list so can I can yeah, awesome bro. Harshal Aaron, I know you know bro. I was just kidding. Harshal Aaron, I know bro that you know. Bro 12:30, 12:30. Hyderabad bro. YouTuber. Yes, yes, YouTuber. I will answer your question, bro. YouTuber. Where is YouTuber? YouTuber, you are trying too hard, bro. Just, just first try to understand DSA and then take slow steps, bro. Don't be too harsh on yourself. Don't try to understand things. Rohit Gupta, where you work, bro? Rohit Gupta, where you work? Do you work or are you in college? Bro, feedback on my swapping approach. What was your approach, Nitin? Which pass out you are? Rohit Gupta, please connect with me on LinkedIn. And Manas, you are connected on LinkedIn, bro, with me. Can you just ping me? Or if you have already pinged me, connect, bro. Manas, connect. Rohit, bro, can you just ping me so that I know which Rohit you are on LinkedIn? Sort two strings and compare, bro. How will that solve anything? You need to return, you don't need to return yes or not. If you sort, so the answer would be 2 for this, right? Not sure if that would try submitting if that works, that's really cool. Given an array integer num. Okay, let me see if I can solve this one, bro. Then it would be at least I have just solved one annoying problem. Given an array of integer nums and continuous subarray is called nice if there are k odd numbers in it. Number of nice subarrays. So every time if you are feels like a hash map solution that every time if this number is k odd, right? Hash map comes sliding window. That sort of problem it feels like k is equal to 3 if there are exactly 3 odd numbers, right? So if, oh yeah, it's a sliding window only, right? Because if any time odd number increase, you have to move the window, right? If it doesn't increase, you can just increase, or am I thinking wrong? It seems like straightforward sliding window, or is it? No, 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 might not be. Like the third. I think I have to get multiplication principle here. If giving me they're not harming. 3 here and those are 2 here, right? So this is the important subarray, right? And then with this, you can have 3 with this on the right, and then you can have 3 on the left. So those become 6, right? This is 1, 3 on the right, and then 3 on the left, right? So each valid window. So I think this is again a pattern like this. So you have like 2 comma 2 comma 2, 2 comma 2 comma 2, and then this is your valid window, right? And then you have again in like a window that is not basically hampering anything. So size of the window x1 and x3, right? This 3 can be multiplied by this, so this will be like 1 plus 3 into 3 plus 1 into 3 plus 1 into 3 into 1, right? Yeah, so basically if so I can do this till the window doesn't break, right? Yeah, I think could be done in that manner. Damn it, bro, I can also do it in a 0 1 fashion, I think so. All the even numbers can become 0 and all that becomes can these can be 1 and that can be -1. So basically I have to find subarrays with some -1, 0, sorry. Okay, so let's not confuse ourselves. 1, 1, 2, 1. Rindam Datta, bro, so far I have not gotten the intuition, but even if my intuition is correct, struggling with the implementation so far. Zoom 5, good morning. Is it you previously solved this? No, I think this approach is correct. This approach. But this like intuition, this is like intuition. I have solved similar problems. I have solved similar problems, but way like 1 year back. It's like a substring problem, I think, if I'm trying to remember. But instead of doing that multiplication, right? Yeah, damn, bro. I don't even know if this is correct. This doesn't seem correct. Some other way might be there. Can you look at my resume? Not now, bro. Uh, oh, 41 people in chat. Nice. Hi, developer. Kunal, bro, you can ping me on LinkedIn. I will reply you on LinkedIn. Uh, you can ping me on LinkedIn, bro. Probably will have to solve this problem, but that is okay. We'll do that. Yeah, that I understood, bro. Sliding window, that I have understood. Hmm. But it doesn't feel like a straightforward sliding window because you see, if I come in here, right, I need something else for these two things. Those are the some things that I need. So it is not a straightforward sliding window, but very nice problem, I would say. I need to use something else also along with that. Computer engineering or bro, Bachelor of Engineering, in that there is computer science. What is computer engineering? Like, what is the context here? I'm missing the context. And the longest window with K, then keep on shrinking, keep on adding. This all you mean this would be the longest window. On what basis would you shrink? Would you shrink after coming out of the window? But in that you won't be counting these, right? When did we count? So Kunal, will your answer be 16 for this one? When did you count this subarray? Unless we find a odd number. Or when did you count this subarray? You're saying that found the longest with K. So in this, the longest will be this, right? Now if I shrink it, so then this, then this. I don't think so, bro. So basically, I need an index. I need to use some sort of hash map. So let's say I have found this, I have found this, right? If the count is 2, so it till here, right? That means that all the number before this can be multiplied with whatever I have as of now, right? So then you will save this. Then you go ahead with this. So all the numbers again with this can be multiplied with this 3 more, 3 more, 3 more. But let's say if at any time that I got I, so then yeah, basically okay, got it. Yeah, I think so. I understood it now. Did you understand the third? Yes, developer. Now I understood. So this multiplication formula, it's kind of something that I need to know this indexes because see when I see these becomes useless when I get this thing, right? So this all become useless. So if we do a dry run on this, right? So let's say 1 1 2. So as of now it is not 3. So here I go in, right? It is 3. Okay. So then what would be the count? All the remaining elements before this, those are 0, right? So basically just 1. This is, and now once you go here, you get rid of this. Then you come here, like you will increase that. So again, it is only 1. But here, these are like 3 elements are there. Damn it, bro. It didn't even make sense to my mind what I was speaking, but I am not able to put that into thoughts, which is a very wrong thing. Okay, so if you are here, Okay, the first index of your 3, right? So the first index of this and the number of elements that you have remaining. Here I don't have any. Okay, makes sense. 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 Damn it, bro. My laptop is very slow. I'm gonna need a cube because I need to pop those elements, right? Or I can. This is the only thing that I was struggling. Should have come to the mind, but earlier, that's fine. So now, Kunal bro, try running the solution that you are thinking. Meanwhile, I will also run. That way, we both will be able to solve. If you have already solved this, then very good. But let me also try running this. So if Leonard die M1 bro, buy M1 Pro bro, buy M1. Don't buy M1 bro. M4 buy M4. I have M2. M2 is now getting slow. But if you don't want to do streaming and all, then I think it would be fine. I also did not know that I would be streaming with this laptop. But it is awfully slow. You know, if the size is K, right? That means that whatever I have on the left, I want to multiply that. My budget is 35. Bro, Apple will not come in 35. Is it 35 lakhs? So if odd elements dot size is equal to K, so that means that whatever you are here, all the elements before that, hmm, those are valid candidates. So 0, 1, 2, 3. 3 minus 0, 3, right? So answer is equal to answer plus elements plus 1, right? Here your ST will also be is correct. I feel so. Shakalaka boom. Shakalaka boom 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 boom. Really nice question. Shakalaka boom boom. Bro, did you fail any DSA interview till now? Yes, bro. Amazon's. Developer, bro, only thing that I was not doing was this queue. This is something, see, bro, I was trying to think of it like optimal. See, whenever, see, the thing that this is right, this pattern, right? Did you understand this thing here? So whenever you have gotten thing right, all the elements which are like non-harming, this two, think of it like you have tons of two, right? These are all non-harming. So however elements you have here, so but it look if I have to explain in a better way, right? Let me bring this here and then I'll try to explain it in a better way. So let's say take an example of one here, right? Now it is better. So your K is still two, okay? K is still two. Developer, are you listening? Developer, are you listening? Developer, check, mic check. Hi, Nived Chaudhary, what's up, bro? Hey guys, feel free to like the stream if you find it helpful. I did not ask even once today. There is a lag, I think. Feel free to like the stream, guys. This like, I mean, it helps in growing the channel because I don't post about it anywhere. So we can use sliding window to maintain exactly k elements. Krishant Krant, bro, you are right. You are right, bro. But how to like so for example, okay, so k is 2, bro, here. You see, okay, let me also um, let me also put indexes, okay? My laptop is slow, so please be with me, okay? Shreyansh, bro, I'll reply to your question, bro. So see, bro. So this one is odd, so we will take it, right? Now the count is one in this window. So we go. Here till now, right, bro? The count is two, right? Which is what we need. So this, the whole thing becomes one subarray, right? So that is what we are doing. If the size is k, so your peak, odd element peak is 0 minus st is also 0. So in that you just add 1. So basically what I'm checking this means, right? So if I have to use better ways, uh, like what do you say, innocent or not even innocent, even elements. So this is a check for how many even elements I have before this thing, right? So here I don't have any even elements. But okay, that's okay. So I go to again to this thing, right? So I go to this 2. Now again, when I come to this 2, again this 2 is unharming to me, right? So this becomes another entry, this whole thing that I've selected. Then similar thing for this again. So as of now, the count is 3, right? Now when this one array comes, right? Now my k is more. So basically now all the arrays after this will be invalid. So we need to reduce the window, right? So that is what we are doing here. So we are sliding the window, slide the window, right? Now we will slide the window till the index. So all the elements prior to this. So if I put a 2 here, right? All those elements are now of no use to me because there is one. This one is causing the problem. So I would like come to this directly. That is what I'm doing. Directly reducing the window to this st.odd elements dot pole plus one. So that's where I'm coming to now this. So my st is one, right? Now when you Now when you check this, again this subarray, we are at this subarray 1 to 7, right? Now in this, right, these three, this is something that we need to calculate. So this even element, right? These are like peak of your first ST, which is 4 minus what is your ST. So this will be 4 minus 1, 3. So those three are important. Why? Because this is one of the subarray, then this is another subarray, then this is another subarray. If we don't do this right, then we are not counting these three values, like these innocent values. So this same approach. So this three we are counting here, this three. Go understood? Developer bro, I have tried my best. I don't have a pen, like I don't have my iPad. If my iPod would be here, I would have kind of done some drawing, but I don't have that handy. So I hope it made some sense. So we can use sliding window to main externally k elements in our or window. Yes, bro. So this queue is a sliding window only, but you need to know the indexes also. Just like in other normal sliding window, you don't need to know the index, right? Here you also need to know the index of the elements. Shreyansh, bro. Shreyansh, bro, this happens with everyone, bro. So you have to start with your rating. Oh, nice developer. So do you think I'm a good teacher or what? Like the stream if you find it helpful. So you always have to start with this websites, bro, rating website. This is one of the best website out there. So this is not my website. Some genius guy created this website. So here, bro, probably you are like trying to solve problems that are above your level. M1 is good choice. Bro, M1 you will not get in 35, bro. Or are you getting M1 in 35? Looking on OLX. Bro, Windows is fine for programming, bro. For programming, Windows is fine, bro. You don't need a Mac for programming. Kunal Maheshwari, bro, how was your Google's interview? Mac has zero maintenance, bro. Mac has zero maintenance in college. Like my Mac was working like charm. This is like I am doing live streaming and all, right? So that's why it is even on Windows, Windows will suck with live streaming and all. If it is not a powerful Windows. But what will you recommend? What type of? Yeah, yeah, that is true, bro. That is true. In case it falls. Hey Piyush, bro, what's up? Bro, this is really nice problem. Like kind of a variation of sliding window. My rank would be like really bad rank. Oh, oh, this has ended, right? So I cannot see my rank. फिर Shreyansh Japtab, bro, what's up, bro? If you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel, bro. Uh, if you have not watched this video, right, this is something that I would recommend you. Let me open it on the side. Probably you can just go to, okay, I don't need this on the right side as of now. So let me go to the bento 1 second. So bro, if you go to this Excali, right, uh, replace. So all my videos Excali you would find here, and I have also added a little thumbnail here. Bro, these are the things that you should be cautious about when you are solving the problem. These 6 things you have to keep in mind. Rest is good. Pick a language, choose LeetCode, solve LeetCode 150, and then give virtual contest, solve new problems using rating website. Probably I think this is not in a read mode, but using rating website, right? So this would be my advice if I have to give to you, right? But all of these links are there, right? All of these links you can watch because all the details are there. Uh, so that is for DSA, right? And there is another Xcali. This is low-level design notes, replace my contact. Uh, so here you can see low-level design notes. These are the notes that I personally read before any interview of LLD. I used to read last year. So this is, I think, kind of a crisp thing that I designed. So you guys can reference that. So all the links would be here. Feel free to go that. But if anyone is coming new to the channel, I would just say that watch this video. This is going to be very, very helpful if you are in college. But let's say you have passed out of college, then this 10 offers video. I don't have this 10 hours Excali, I think here, which I don't have that right. That is like a very old video, I would say, like replace my content. You can do you see 10 offers Excali here? No, right? So I'll probably add that. But meanwhile, let me open that here. Okay. Bro, you should change Raghav little bit, bro. Only coping would not be fine. So this Excali, right? So this is, I think, good Excali because in each of the in each of the box I've explained clearly, right? So probably you can take a screenshot of it if you want to. Like you can watch the video and then take a screenshot. But I will. So this Excali might be sitting somewhere. But this is important. If you have 1 or 2 years of experience, this is. I had 3, but so 2 years should be good enough for you to switch. Might be irrelevant, but what path to do one have then job in tech? Is it worth spending time solving problems and selling services? Need your did not did not did not get your point, Spectre bro. Learner die, bro. Your it will not it will improve eventually, bro. Don't give up. Uh, Shreyansh Jagtap. Thank you, bro, for subscribing. Feel free to share it with your friends because I don't share. So you guys can do that for me. I would be grateful to you guys. Some formatting, but yeah. Yeah, I will be only live for another 5 to 10 minutes. Will be sleeping on time today. Any other questions, guys? Any questions that lead code Paglu? Nice username, bro. I will reach 1800 today. Let's go, bro. I asking other than job, what other career paths I could choose that involve techs? Yes, bro, you can do freelancing and all. Oh, really good. Bye, bro. Bye, guys. I'm not going as of now. I'll be going in another 10-15 minutes. Really good, Raghav, bro. I remember when I solved 3 quickly, I got 500 rank. That's probably my best rank. This 584. And 850 is also one of my best rank. Here also I had a very good rank once. 1400, I guess. 1300 is also pretty decent. This. Bro, you should have at least two good projects. Raghav, you are in college, right? Shreyansh, bro, keep applying, bro. Abhishek, bro, read on LeetCode, bro. Visa interviews. Raghav, bro, did you not get any internship in your third year? That's okay, bro. Now you can. Did you not know that in starting of third year that companies will be coming to your office? Or not office, your college. Did you not knew that? Was there a knowledge gap? That is good, bro. That is good. At least you were doing step by step, bro, Shreyan, step by step. That is okay, bro. It is all about exposure. Like, still you are from very nice college. That's why you have the option of exposure. But not everyone has that. That's what my aim is, to spread some exposure about DSA. Every college have. Abhishek, every college has. Shreyansh, bro, there is a reason that everyone can do web dev. Because I'm from LPU. No, bro, LPU have, I think, couple of streams back only, we were looking at LPU placement. They are saying that 1 crore is the placement. So you are not good. See 1 crore. So don't worry. Arre, thank you so much, Shreyansh Jagtap. Om Kadam 6 to 7 hours every day. 6 to 7 hours. Harikesh Kashyap. Learned I. Congrats, bro. Nice, nice, Raghav. Raghav, make sure to practice those 150 problems before your interview, right? Because these cover all the patterns, interview patterns and whatnot. Sometimes questions how much time. Bro, web dev is easy, bro. Just do couple of projects in web dev. Just watch some video. Yes, feel free to hit this like, guys, if you find it helpful. It helps in sending the stream to other people. If anyone is new and watching. Yes, yes. Dhaval Patel, I have not done bro 250 personally. So I would say that do take part in contest if you have time, virtual contest. Learner to die, bro, 6 to 7 hours or 4 to 5 hours on an average every day. 2 hours in the morning, 2 hours in the evening. Walter Pinkman, no, bro. DSA is Python is okay for DSA. Others, bro, interviewer will know. Don't cheat. And the time when next stream, bro, every day. Stream happens every day, bro, at 10:30. You don't have to call me sir, bro. Stream happens every day, bro, every day. Here you can see this is our session number 102. Really nice tab I have. Venkatesh Lashkare, bro, what do you do? What is your username, UNX Factory? Is it UNX Factory? This is cheater, bro. Cheater, cheater. This again look like cheater. This is not at all cheater. This is a good guy. I think this 400, 500 jumps are all cheaters. No, I did not give today. Okay, bro. I thought that you were waiting to see your rating change. Don't cheat, guys. So many cheaters. This 500, I think in top 10, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 cheater in top 10. Only this is a good guy. And all of these are also good guys. 88 is realistic. This is also realistic to some. No, no, bro. 13 minute. That's not realistic. See, predictive rating is 3100. 200 to this is not at all. This is acceptable. 28 to 3000. This is not at all. This is all cheating. This is not cheating. Kanaya, I think this is a really nice coder. I have seen him. Lead code rating predictor Labao. Is it seal above? There is one seal above also. Above. This is also good, bro. Decent. I don't feel like so much. You can share the link in chat. Nice, nice, bro. It will happen slowly. Yeah, yeah, bro. Nothing to do. Others, yes, bro. You should learn Java. Java is good. Bhai, I have passed fourth year. No medium DSA. Apply, bro. Apply. Apply. Face reveal done, bro. Om Kadan, bro. I have a membership which you can apply. That is for 60 rupees. 30 goes to YouTube. 30 goes to me. If you like the live. If you want this live to continue, you can consider joining that, but there is no mandate. If you want to support the channel, then only consider doing that. If some days I vanish, I stop doing this live stream, then you might be knowing the reason is that I got tired. Learner, bro, the guy who do really great job like you are doing, no one appreciates such. Thank you, learner. Die, bro. Learn or die. Oh, nice. Amit Kumar, bro, I don't have a DSA sheet. This is where you can see the resources that I personally use. Learner or die, bro, how's LPU? You're asking me, bro? Bro, web dev is not asked. If you have put that in your resume, if your projects are from web dev, then only you will be asked question around that, bro. LPU, bro, if placement is good, then LPU is good. I have heard that they have good placement. Bro, learner or die, bro, I have created a video exactly on that. That video has this Excalibur that you see on the right side. So exactly the video is there, bro. Just give it a go. Yeah, then do a project in web dev only, bro. You will be asked. Anshul explains, bro. Yes, share it on LinkedIn. I'll do that. A rare topic, Tarlok Singh, bro. Very real topic. Akash Pradhan, bro. This is the video for you. 10 job offers video. Walter Pinkman, bro, if you're confident with Python, just continue with Python. Whoever is coming in new, please feel free to like this stream, guys. It helps in sending the stream to new people. Shreyash, bro, I have a video on that too as well. Bro, why can't you message me on LinkedIn? Have I blocked you? Different, bro, Adarsh, bro. It will based on the business requirement. Shreyas, yes, bro, you should create something else also. Nice, bro. Shreyash, bro, nice. Okay, guys, I'll do Anshul's review and then I'll drop off. Anshul, bro, send me fast if you want a review. Or I'll do the review tomorrow then. Venkatesh, bro, start applying also along with that. Along with upskilling, start applying also. Uh, Anshul explains I will provide you my. That is okay, bro. You apply to companies and then everyone is facing rejection these days. Yeah, make sure your resume is of this format, Venkatesh, bro. Make sure your resume is of this format and you don't have to. Worry, keep applying. I do live streams every day. You don't have to call me, sir. Make sure resumes of this format and then you can join in tomorrow's stream as well. Cool guys, bye bye, take care, have fun.